Max Weber's concept of rationalization and bureaucracy. Max Weber was one of the most important thinkers in sociology. He carefully studied how modern societies developed and how institutions such as governments, businesses, and organizations function. One of his most influential ideas is the concept of rationalization. Weber used this concept to explain how modern societies increasingly organize life based on logic, efficiency, rules, and calculation rather than tradition, emotions, or personal relationships. Closely connected to rationalization is Weber's idea of bureaucracy, which he described as the most efficient form of organization in modern society. To understand Weber's idea of rationalization, it is useful to think about how societies operated in earlier historical periods. In traditional societies, many decisions were guided by customs, cultural traditions, and personal authority. For example, leaders might make decisions based on family ties, religious beliefs, or long-established habits. Work was often organized in informal ways, and people relied heavily on personal relationships. Weber observed that modern societies gradually moved away from these traditional ways of organizing life. Instead, institutions began to rely on systematic rules, careful planning, and logical procedures. This transformation is what Weber called rationalization. In simple terms, rationalization means organizing society and institutions in a way that emphasizes efficiency, predictability, and control through clear rules and calculations. One example of rationalization can be seen in modern workplaces. Many organizations now operate according to carefully designed procedures. Employees follow specific guidelines for performing tasks, meeting deadlines, and communicating with colleagues. Decisions are often based on data, measurements, and formal evaluation systems rather than personal opinions. This approach helps organizations function more efficiently and consistently. Weber believed that rationalization brought many benefits to modern societies. It allowed large organizations to operate smoothly, manage complex activities, and coordinate the work of many individuals. Rational planning made it possible to build large transportation systems, manage national economies, and develop advanced technologies. In many ways, rationalization helped create the modern world as we know it today. However, Weber also believed that rationalization had important consequences for human life. While it increased efficiency and predictability, it also reduced the role of emotions, traditions, and personal creativity in social life. People increasingly found themselves living within systems that emphasized rules and procedures over individual expression. This concern led Weber to describe modern society as being trapped in what he called an iron cage of rationality. In this metaphor, individuals become surrounded by rigid systems of rules and regulations that limit their freedom and creativity. People may feel that their actions are controlled by formal procedures rather than by personal choice or cultural meaning. Weber believed that bureaucracy was the organizational form that best represented rationalization. Bureaucracy refers to a structured system of administration based on clear rules, specialized roles, and a hierarchy of authority. In a bureaucratic organization, each individual has a specific position and defined responsibilities. According to Weber, a well-organized bureaucracy has several key characteristics. The first characteristic is a clear hierarchy of authority. This means that positions are arranged in levels, with each level having authority over the levels below it. For example, in a government department there may be directors, managers, supervisors, and employees. Each level has specific responsibilities and reports to higher authorities. The second characteristic of bureaucracy is the division of labor. In bureaucratic systems, tasks are divided into specialized roles so that each person focuses on a particular responsibility. This specialization increases efficiency because individuals develop expertise in their specific areas of work. Another important feature is the use of formal rules and procedures. Bureaucracies operate according to written guidelines that explain how tasks should be performed and how decisions should be made. These rules help ensure consistency and fairness because everyone is expected to follow the same standards. Weber also emphasized the importance of impersonality in bureaucratic organizations. Decisions should be based on objective rules rather than personal relationships or favoritism. Employees are expected to treat people according to established procedures rather than personal preferences. This helps create fairness and predictability within the system. Finally, bureaucracy relies on merit-based employment. Positions are typically filled based on qualifications, skills, and training rather than family connections or social status. This approach allows organizations to select individuals who are capable of performing their responsibilities effectively. Weber believed that bureaucracy was the most efficient way to manage large and complex organizations. Governments, corporations, universities, and many other institutions rely on bureaucratic structures to coordinate activities and maintain order. Without such systems, it would be extremely difficult to manage the complex tasks required in modern societies. At the same time, Weber recognized that bureaucracy could create challenges for individuals. Strict rules and procedures can sometimes make organizations inflexible and slow to adapt to change. Employees may feel that they have little control over their work because they must follow detailed regulations. This can lead to frustration and a sense of distance between individuals and the institutions they serve. In everyday life, people encounter bureaucracy in many situations. Applying for government documents, enrolling in educational institutions, working in large organizations, or interacting with administrative systems often involves following formal procedures and completing official forms. These experiences reflect the rationalized structures that Weber described. Max Weber's ideas about rationalization and bureaucracy remain extremely important in understanding modern society. His work helps explain why modern institutions emphasize efficiency, organization, and standardized procedures. At the same time, it encourages people to think critically about how these systems influence human freedom, creativity, and social relationships. In simple terms, Weber showed that modern societies function through systems designed to maximize efficiency and order. These systems have helped humanity achieve remarkable progress, but they also raise important questions about how individuals can maintain meaning and personal autonomy within highly organized institutions. If you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand, please like this video, share it with others who are interested in sociology and social theory, and subscribe to the channel for more clear and engaging discussions on important thinkers and ideas.